Hi guys, welcome to another amazing video in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share my unique travel experience from my recent Chikkamagaluru trip, offering spectacular views and mesmerizing nature beauties. So without any delay, let's get this video started. This time, I started a road trip with my two best friends. We started to Chikkamagaluru from Hyderabad at night, and it took 12 hours for us to reach our destination. The journey was so amazing, with so many stories and with lots of fun. Day 1. On our first day, we have reached our stay, got freshed up and started to Budangiri, which is next to Mullayanagiri peak. At the base of the mountain, there was a security check, where police asked us to leave all the plastic bottles and bags from our car. After that, we started to Budangiri. I have visited Chikkamagaluru in rainy season, so we got to see amazing nature's beauty. From Chikkamagaluru, Mullayanagiri peak is around 33 kilometers away. We go through some wonderful roads with breathtaking views. This journey won't disappoint you at all. During rainy season, the special attraction will be the foggy roads. It is just like we are passing through the clouds. On the way to Budangiri, there is a waterfall called Honnammana Halla Falls, which is one of the special attractions. Due to rains, we can see wonderful flow of water. Once we reached the top, the clouds were so thick we can't even see the objects within few meters. This was a must-experience sight where all the clouds are passing through us. I totally loved this place. My heart desired to stay here forever. But our next destination was waiting for us. Here the roads are narrow. We must have good driving skills to go through these roads. Our next stop was Manikya Falls, which is next to Budangiri. You can find some spectacular views from here. After that, we have reached our stay and had a good night's sleep. Day 2. On day 2, we started to Hebbe Waterfalls, which is 65 kilometers away from Chikkamagaluru. From Hebbe Waterfalls base camp, our own vehicles were not allowed. Here, Forest Department is providing Jeep Safari for 500 rupees per person. It takes around 20 minutes to reach Hebbe Waterfalls in Jeep Safari. The Jeep Safari was so adventurous due to its bumpy roads. Getting here is half the adventure. The journey offers a refreshing escape into nature. Once we get down the jeep, it's 5 minutes walk to the Hebbe Waterfall. Welcome to one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Karnataka. Hebbe Waterfalls, nested in the heart of Chikkamagalur's majestic Western Ghats. A hidden gem that truly captures the essence of nature's untouched beauty. Hebbe Waterfalls has a towering height of over 550 feet, and this waterfall cascades down in two stages. Dodda Hebbe, the bigger fall, and Chikka Hebbe, the smaller one. The crystal clear water gushes down the rocky terrain, crashing into a serene pool below, creating an almost magical mist around. The sound of the water, the mist in the air, and the hush greenery all around. We can say it's a perfect symphony of nature. What makes Hebbe Falls even more special is its location. Deep within the forests of Bttterfly Wildlife Sanctuary, with vibrant flora and fauna that add to the charm of this natural paradise. Whether you are here for a refreshing dip in the cool water or just to take in the serene ambience, Hebbe Falls offer a rejuvenating experience that stays with you long after you leave. On the way back to Chikkamagaluru, you can see Kallathigiri Falls next to a temple. Day 3. On day 3, we got freshed up and started to the Silvershine coffee estate. They charge around 250 rupees per person for the short tour of their beautiful coffee estate. Meet Nikhil, who gave us a tour of this beautiful estate. As we walk through the estate, we are surrounded by lush coffee plants bearing bright cherries. This is the starting point of every great cup of coffee. These plants thrive in Chikkamagalur's cool climate and rich soil, making this region famous for its high-quality Arabica and Robusta beans. The ripe cherries are carefully hand-picked, ensuring only the best quality beans are selected. It's amazing to see how much precision and care goes into this first step of coffee production. You can also have homestays in this property. The details for this property is in the description below. He also showed us this beautiful flower in which 100 petals resembles Kauravas, 5 petals resembles Pandavas, and the top 3 seeds resembles Trimurtis. I also took some beautiful shots of these flowers. You can also check out them in my Instagram. Link is in the description below. After that, we started to Mangaluru. This journey was also a memorable one. As we are traveling during the rain, we was able to see so many waterfalls on our way. Mangaluru is around 150 kilometers away from Chikkamagaluru. We have reached Mangaluru by the evening and had a good night's sleep. Day 4. On day 4, we got freshed up and visited nearby beach. We were also witnessed so many peahens in one place, making some beautiful sounds. Later we have visited Sammilan Shetty Bttterfly Park. It is an unenclosed butterfly reserve set in mountain foothills with numerous species in natural habitats. This butterfly reserve spread across 7.35 acres of land. Best time to visit is from June to November. Usually, if we visit this place in the mornings, we can see more butterflies. Unfortunately, we have visited in the evening. But this place is worth a visit. With that, our trip came to an end and reached Hyderabad by the morning. Thanks for joining me on this trip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures. Thank you for watching.